Tension headaches, like the ones often associated with the tension of the muscles of the back of your neck and sometimes up to the back of the skull, are the far most common types of headache in the world. Now, traditional approaches like medications are often necessary for these types of headaches in particular, but there are alternatives, much more natural and even more effective approaches. In fact, the number one contributor to these types of headaches is actual poor posture. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about how we can fix correcting that posture. Hi there, I'm Dr. Micheal from Optimal Health Chiropractic, Family and Sports Clinic here in West Meadows. And over the last 12 to 13 years, we've helped thousands of people kiss goodbye to their head and neck pain. Now, this posture is characterized by four important components. Now, the first and then the most obvious is the forward shift of the head. Second, what then starts to happen is our shoulders roll forward and the middle of our back starts to slouch over as well. And thirdly, what we then start to see is the shortening and tightening of the muscles in the front end through here. This is the one that we often forget about. Then the fourth and final, the muscles at the back of the spine along our neck and shoulders begin to lengthen and they become weak. Now, sadly, fixing this posture is not just as simple as following grandma's advice and standing up tall and putting your shoulders back. The first thing is that you're going to want to think about is absolute need to decrease the amount of sitting that you do. But for most of us, we've been doing it for years, and some of us, we've been doing it for decades. It's going to take a bit more time than sitting less for us to change this posture. Now, there's two exercises that I'm going to share with you today. These are the same two exercises that I share with my patients. When they have this posture, when they're getting these types of headaches, maybe working at a desk all day, then I'm going to suggest that you stop every hour on the hour and do these two exercises. They're really simple, they take less than 3 minutes. You'll feel fabulous after doing them, and if you're more active throughout the day, then at least twice a day is a good spot for you to begin with these two exercises. Now, let's get started with opening up the shoulders. This stretch is really easy to be done. It can be done sitting or it can be done standing. The standing is absolutely best. Now, I like to do it in a doorway, but a wall or a desk works just as well. Standing by positioning your arms slightly below your shoulders. Keep your belly tight and rotate your body away from your shoulder, stretching the front of your shoulder. Now, you'll feel this stretch across the chest, down into the arm, and sometimes all the way down into the fingers. Hold this position for 15 to 20 seconds, and then repeat once again on the other side. Now, as I've mentioned before, I like to do this stretch on the hour, every hour when I'm sitting at a desk, or at least twice a day otherwise. Now, once we've loosened up the muscles through the front of the chest, then we can go about starting to strengthen and balance the posture at the muscles at the back part. Now, I love banded pull aparts. You'll need a band to do this. They're available at Kmart, online, or basically anywhere. You need a low resistance. It doesn't have to be too strong of a band. Here's how you're going to use this. Place the band between your hands and thumbs, pointing in and your elbows straight out in front of you. Now keep your arms straight, squeeze your shoulder blades together and pull apart the band. Now the goal of this is to feel the muscles working between your shoulder blades. Don't let your head push forward and keep your shoulders relaxed. Now your posture is going to feel amazing after this start with 10 to 15 repetitions. And then again, if you're at a desk working, then you'd want to do this on the hour, every hour. Otherwise, give it minimum twice a day. So there you have it. That's my absolute two favorite posture exercises for the upper cross syndrome, or that forward head posture. If you've got tension in the neck and your shoulders, and if you're suffering from these types of tension type headaches, then this is an absolute. Please give these a go. I think you'll be thrilled with the results. If you found this video helpful, then please consider sharing with a friend or a loved one, or who needs to hear this message. And if you're suffering with headaches and if you want to see a chiropractor, see if your chiropractor can help, then give the office a call on 9338 1104. Until next time, see you soon. Bye.